Dr. Winnie. Today I'm going to be interviewing our friend and the patient, Laura Angelone. You might already see her on her Instagram or her blog, Initials LA. Laura, thank you for sitting with me and chat with me today.
Thank you for having me.
I really love your blog. How did you get interested in becoming a fashion and lifestyle blogger?
So when I was living in Paris, before I moved to Los Angeles, I was working with bloggers. I was working for this makeup company called Parfaire, and it was the start of social media, influencers. So that's how I first discovered the fashion blog universe. And when I moved here, I didn't have a work permit, and I was a big fashionista coming from Paris. So my husband, who works in digital media and knows everything about like technical stuff, set me up with the blog, and this is how I started to blog. And I also wanted to promote the French fashion and French style here in Los Angeles, because French style and Californian style are so different.
So what brought you to the US?
It's an interesting question, and people love the answer. I was coming here for holidays to visit a friend, and I was sitting next to a guy in the plane, and our plane got into crazy turbulences, and I was crying because I thought we were gonna die.
Wow.
And this guy talked to me, and now he's my husband, and we have a son together.
Oh my God!
Yes.
What a romantic story.
It's like that perfect Hollywood story.
It is. You should make a movie out of it.
Yes.
So Laura, as you earlier mentioned, the fashion and beauty is so very different between the US and the French. What's the most difference you see?
So for fashion and beauty, I would say that French women are way more minimal. Is that correct to say that?
Yes.
Okay. So we embrace very natural style, very effortless chic, and I think that this is the common idea that people have about French people, and I don't think it's a cliche, because I always learned that the more natural a woman is,
right,
the more minimal she dresses with beautiful basics, the more beautiful she is.
Very true.
And here, I would say it's a difference between French women and Californian women. But I feel like in California, women love to wear a lot of accessories, a lot of makeup. It's a totally different perception of beauty. That is not ours as French women.
So is there one well-kept secret? What that would be?
I think that a beauty secret would be to try to avoid wearing a lot of makeup.
Okay, so
It's natural.
Okay.
I would say that because all my French friends, when they come here in California, that's the first thing they tell me. Oh my God, girls wear so much makeup here.
I see.
And I think that because we're used to not wearing a lot, like we use a lot of skincare for sure, maybe a primer and a light foundation.
Yeah.
But I think that first, it helps us having a beautiful skin, because I'm convinced that wearing too much makeup can really damage your skin, even if you use makeup remover every night. And yeah, you have this beautiful, healthy, natural glow that people want to have.
Yes. So what kind of treatment or they really do to take care of their skin, such like anti-aging treatment? Do they take on some, rather than just natural product? Is there anything else they do?
Of course, I think that starting a certain age, because skincare is not enough.
Right. Yeah.
I've worked in skincare, I love from Loreal, so I know exactly that it's not enough. The best cream can't, do miracles. So I think that what we do is that we do exfoliations a lot, to renew your cells, hydrating treatments, hydrating masks, and facials regularly too.
Absolutely. How did you hear about us, Parfaire?
I heard about Parfaire because I was looking for a good treatment to exfoliate my skin, and I heard about the silk peel treatments.
It is truly a
Yes.
wonderful treatment.
Yes,
Yeah.
I've tried it and I absolutely love it.
It's going to that organic and
Mhm.
natural treatment
Yes.
to just make your skin more glow and
Mhm.
beautiful. Do you know Parfaire is actually a French name?
Of course I do. Of course, it
Yeah.
means
To perfect.
perfect.
Yeah. So it's kind of like fitting into our mission kind of perfectly in one word. When it's coming up to, skincare and patient care, we really want to be the perfectionist.
Of course.
Yeah.
And I think you are.
Oh, thank you so much. So, what's your favorite skincare product or the treatment?
I would say that my favorite skincare product would be a serum with hyaluronic acids because I have a dehydrated skin and I feel like using this kind of product really helped me plump my skin and make it more healthy.
Okay.
And as for a treatment, so far the exfoliation, like still peel, is exactly something that I need maybe 3-4 times a year.
Excellent. Yeah. Any other skin concern that you're considering
Yes.
to take care of?
Yes. Actually, my main concern right now is that since my pregnancy, I got age and dark spots.
I see.
And I have some scars too due to acne. So I would really love to find a treatment that would help me erase or at least diminish those age spots.
So those are really so common, for most women, hormonal and also,
Yes.
of course, the sun damage causing all this. And I think you would really enjoy the clear skin treatment that we offer, and it will give you very good result, and yet still falling into that very natural, give your skin a kickstart.
I would love to.
Yeah. Laura, thank you so much for coming in today and to share all this very much useful information and very interesting information with us.
Thank you.
And let's make sure we follow Laura on her blog, Initials LA.
Thank you so much.